Sacela bandla uku-act. That's all I saw. That's all I saw there. Sacela bandla uku-act. Njani bhuti omdala? Shaphu njani Skoko? And when? Sihlala ukuvuka ekuseni nje. Namhlanje. Ngizwani ukuvuka ekuseni. Ngilala your life flagged for dangerous activities. Oh, ukuthi ngiyadriver. Oh, guys, ne-drama land yazo. Bayangiphikisa ku-TikTok abafuni ngishaye live ngidrive. So yeah. Morning sis, morning Fufu. Molo Genius. Luna 35. Genius igama elikhulu. Sleazy. Mnewethu Sisekelo. It's a beautiful name. Sisekelo Foundation. It's a beautiful name. Ngiyabonga King Majesty. Sure Skoko, sure buhle gweba. Phela nami ukuzodlula nje. Thini uPinky Mnguni. Uphakathwayo uthi ucela nje ukuzodlula nje if ni shoot. Remember ku YouTube Mamnguni. I hope wakamnguni mhlambe ihusband yakho nje umnguni. Let me not assume. Sawubona Miss R, sawubona Sunshine. It does feel like meeting face to face, right? Except mina ngikuboni, so yeah, it's a bit of an odd one. That's the thing I hate about it, and I'm alive that you know. Ukhuluma nabantu bayakubona but awubaboni wena. That actually makes me very uncomfortable. That's why ngingawenza ama live kakhulu. I prefer ukuthi sibonaneni. Ngibone ngikubone. Sanibona la nekhaya. Sawubona daughter of Kemet. Sawubona Leo hayi man ngangibiza ngodabula ngumanzi ngubani wena Leo Rush ish. Guys, also isibaya saphela. Ama-shows ayaphela. Nina nenza ngathi isibaya iyona show yokuqala ukuthi iphele emhlabeni. Yaphela the Queen, yaphela the River, yaphela i-Rhythm City, saphela isidingo, yaphela i-Jacob's Cross, yaphela i-Zone 14, yaphela ama-show, guys. So move on. And aqedwa ukuthi nina anilento because a lot of people don't understand how TV works. It's like umuntu mangabe into yena eyithanda I understand ukuthi phela kanjani ngoba mina thina ekhaya sasibukela. It's like yes nina kini nanibukela but labantu abamejarayo ukuthi ishow ibukelwa abantu abangaki bona abanandaba ukuthi kini niyabukela bayabala ukuthi ibukelwa abantu abayengaki in total. Yabo leyo nto ngithi noma kufana noma wenza business uhambe uthengisa amagwinya estradini uphethe amagwinya awu-10 and then kuthenga abantu abawu-3 kuphela ugoduke now 7 phinde ubuye futhi kusasa kuthenge 3 abantu kuphela ugoduke now 7 then you'll decide ukuthi yazini yeah laba bawu-3 bayawathanda and bathenga every day but manje labo 7 it's a loss for me yabo. Then you stop because you like le business yamagwinya isebenzi, then you think of something else to do. Angithi sebenza kanjalo ne-TV isebenza kanjalo yabo. The TV sebenza kanjalo when you can love your show because also what people did ngalesa sikhathi when I was writing uZalo suddenly wonke umuntu was watching that show. Ama ratings woZalo met phezulu kanje, like I think at some point we hit 11.4 million viewers, but le 11.4 ivela because ivela kule land because lama shows womabili adlala ngo8:30. Isibaya noZalo zidlala ngo8:30 zombili. Uma ngabe ama ratings esibaya 8 woZalo 8, it means lama viewers avela kwisibaya and people are thinking no isibaya ngizosibona we catch up because ngas catch up isibaya uzona catch up, but kubalwa la ngo8:30 ukuthi ngo8:30 sibuka abantu abangaki and then once inumber yehla ithi then thiwa I should sekumele siphele sibaya kanjalo. That's how shows get canned. Man bona ama shows eloke phela kanjalo because if you don't watch then iyaphela show, right? That's how it works. Mina ngicela audition nje, just the platform to showcase nayo gay show really ikhona. Yeah, the thing is I unfollow abantu aba-right. Nina nithi nifuna uku-actor but unfollow abantu aba-right, and I've said this before ukuthi you'll find people saying bafuna uku-actor but you don't follow the right people. Like for instance uKinelwe Matidze is a casting director and uhlale faka la amalento ama casting calls our post la. But a lot of people don't follow. Ukinelo should have more followers than I do. But she doesn't. Because people don't do research and follow abantu right. My mom watched Shut Up Men Are Talking for the first time Sunday. Oh, she was so stressed. That's beautiful. That show's doing so well. Hey guys, yeah, what you've done for that show is amazing. Indlela ethanda ngayo, I actually did not expect ukuthi ithandwe kanje. Mina when I was doing it, I just wanted to tell that story and tell it as honestly as I possibly can. And to see a response ingale ndlela engayo manje kuyangithusa nami. Kuyangithusa kakhulu. You're very sweet. You're now a daughter of Kemet. That's an interesting name. That's very sweet of you, sis. Thank you. drop the next episode. I can't drop the next episode because we still don't have my contributions are enough. Because remember, this show, lento senibonile manje kule show cost 1.7 million to shoot, and lo 1.7 million phumela ephakethini lami, right? So ayisekho imali now. Akusekho mali yokwenza lezinto lezi that need to be done in order for you to see that episode. So I was hoping my contributions were gonna cover that. If my contributions are not enough, because nibaningi nina, if all of you just cough out omunye 10 rand, omunye 20 rand, omunye 50 rand, omunye 100 rand or whatever, then we'll make enough money. For instance, I haven't even finished paying the actors, the crew for that shoot, because le mali engiyishoyo, it sounds like a lot of money to umuntu who's not in the industry, but it's actually not. It's actually not. When I shot the thing, I had a budget here, R1 million, because I wanted to tell that story so desperately. I was like, I'll take this R1 million and I'll go shoot this thing. Yanyuga imali yanyuga ifika ku 1.7. So to this day I still owe amanye acts. It's just we have an agreement, so they're not gonna go to social media but yeah, Chris yaskweleta, you know what I mean? But I do owe them and I need to pay them. And if you put my yonke the show and they haven't been paid yet, that doesn't look good. Yabo, then ilapho la soqala sibe neyinkinga khona. So ngeke ngikwazi ukuyikhipha yonke ngingakabakhokheli. There's also that, angikwazi mina lokho because anginitsheli lezo zinto, but ngiyanitshela ke manje. But I still owe amanye actor, I still owe a crew. Because we shot that thing in 8 days. We shot it in 8 days. And everyone showed up and did such an amazing job. And now they're waiting for the show to make enough money to be able to pay them. If I do get my contributions and I'm able to pay those people, then ngizoyikhipha ke ngithi thathani. Yabo? So kunezinto eziningi eningazazi nina. I don't even have imali yokulungisa le ndaba music. Ngiyazi niyajoke nithi nizocula. Doesn't work like that. Doesn't work like that. Music, you don't see it when you are watching the land, when you think it just works the way that it is. No, music plays a huge role in a film. I know Mina because when during the editing process, when the editor cuts the thing kala, and then you see it without music, it's dead. Doesn't land. There's a reason why exceptions for music yabiza. There's a reason why Abu Hans Zimmer are as lento, as wealthy as they are for scoring a film nan, because you think a film you would be able to watch a film without the music, but you wouldn't be able to. You wouldn't. Music plays a major role in the thing, and it must be specific music. I get a lot of lendo, a lot of offers, which is very generous. I get a lot of offers for good music, good, we can, I can help you angle music, and I appreciate that. But the problem is, it needs to be specific to ukhona. It's been used already, and I wanna use loso khona manje. I don't wanna change the music, and I don't wanna remove the music, and I'm not gonna change the music, and I'm not gonna remove the music. I'll speak to labantu laba balo music engufakile manje, and then but that's not the only issue. There are also those other things to look at. Yabo? And YouTube Shem Yazin, I need to make this abundantly clear, guys. There have been such generous contributions to Eland, to our land, and we have a member, I think around 750. That's a lot of members, right? It's a lot of members. And we have like very generous contributions, but they are not enough. Our maningi, our contributions. Ngingababala abantu who have contributed. right? So khona lezo zinto, and like I said, I don't want umuntu ukuthi acontribute engathandi or amandla engenawo. I don't want that. But unfortunately, it means you have to wait for me to go and make more money so that I can sort out lezi zinto lezi kumele ngizenze. Then ngibuye ke ngizonikeza. Angithi nelento nama episode lawa you guys didn't help me ukuthi ngikwenze. Ngihambile ngayozenzela ngeyami imali, right? And then ngabuya ngathi thathani. That's how it happened, right? So same nala. All these problems, I'm solving them. They're just taking me longer to sort them out. It's that simple. If all of you just contributed 20 rand lana, 50 rand la payana, there are so many of you. Like we have, I think, 166,000 subscribers, man. Imagine if all of you, 90, 50 rand, 50 rand, 50 rand. You know? We'd have enough money to cover zonke lezi zinto ekumele sizikhave, and then sinishuthele more episodes for even Ifindo. There's another show that I'm doing, No Wise Man, no Tem Ghost, no Nhlanhla, who played with Ziki Kwiland Adulting. Not Don Tandega King, right? Like Wise Man is crazy. Like he can't wait to shoot that show, but have to wait. Ngihambe ngiyohasila futhi njengoba ngenzile before shooter Eland Shut Up Men Are Talking bese sihamba siyoshoot. Ngizophinda futhi nginikeze episode day 1 yaleyo show bese niyabuka bese niyahlanya wena Chris njalo yasikhalisela bese usishiya kanjalo. But I'm like malayikho. That's how TV works, guys. Labeni bakhokhelayo, they have all the money because bona niyabakhokhela. So when masinama ideas thina siyathatha ama ideas wethu siwase kubona, then mabe decide ukuthi bayathanda ishow yakho, then bakunikeza imali uyishuthe ishow yakho leyo, uyishuthe, then you give it to them, then they play it. It's not the same with me. Mina aninginikezanga mali. I have to shoot ngeyami imali, and then I bring it to you niletha mahala. So there's no benefit for me. Yabo leyo difference lapho. Kuthi mina kimi nina nibukela mahala, right? It's a risk I take, but it is what it is. It just means ukuthi kuzoba nama delays in terms of you guys seeing whatever lenifuna ukuyibona. Uzobona umuntu ongacontributanga nesent ethi wena sodlala ngathi kunini silindile, and I'm like, you don't know how much I spent shooting this thing when you just saw it on social media. Yes, data yakho obukela ngayo, but data yakho doesn't contribute to a bank account yami, unfortunately. You know what I mean? So that's just how it is. But out of topic izinto izandla zakho. Kwashiya ukuthi izandla zendoda zinhle. Uba loyo. Banele Mbonani angazi ukufundisa sibonga, ngazi uMbonani noMbonani. Ngiyabonga ke. Ngifisa ukusebenze nokwazi insele ngoba muhle umsebenzi. Ngifisa uke usebenze nokwazi insele. Ubani ukwazi insele? Mhlambe kumele ngabe ngiyamazi kodwa ngamazi. Sagwada, it's such a great film. We tend to take it personal. Yeah, no, sisangkwati at all, actually. I'm just passionate. I'm a very passionate person. So, angkwatanga. I'm just explaining the situation as it is, you know. Because I realize ukuthi isikhathi esiningi abantu aba-understand ukuthi izinto zisebenza kanjani. They think like mawungakhokhi, it's like it's very hard to make demands ukuthi akube nje. That's why ngale bazokudlalela ama shows ongawathandi ucomplain uthi le show wayengaphili, and they're like awukhokhanga, so bazokudlalela whatever abafuna ukudlalela yona uzoloku complainile nje for 10 years, you know. And then labo bakhokhelayo, as soon as you complain uthi in then they can the show bafake enye. We complain ngaleyo, they can that one bakufake lenye. Complain ngaleyo, they can that one bakufake lenye, yabo. That's just how it works. Contributani guys, not contributani. Abanye ba contribute ukuthi angifuni ukunibonisa amagama abantu, you know. But people contribute to the channel, which we appreciate so much. Njengoba ngisho, we have almost 1,000 members now. But unfortunately, we need more contributions. Njengoba ngisho. Yabo? But luckily there are other moves that we're making because obviously the show is in high demand, man. So bon, I'll keep you posted in Zugwini, like ukuthi kwenzakalani, but there's a lot that is happening. We love your work, Chris. Thank you. Also, guys, I have such a weakness for people who say thank you. Like, I go through the comments, Gulama video, go YouTube, I go through the comments, and every time someone says thank you, Chris, that makes me so weak, because it's like appreciation is all we want. Like, when umuntu thanks you at lento ngesikhathi uyenza, like they take it personally. You know, I guess that's the point that Ulendo Losis is making. Which when you love the work, you take it personal, right? Like for someone to say thank you for something that when you were doing, you don't know the person and you didn't have them in mind when you were doing it. Of course, you wanted everyone who watches it to enjoy it, but for someone to actually say thank you, that is such a beautiful comment, guys. I didn't know until I saw these comments, and every time Mundeti thank you just moves me in a way that I you know, emotionally, I mean, I cool food so yeah. So basically what I'm saying is thank you for those comments. Ungathini tuanla ya jumpa lento. Are you going to take it to channel or keep it on YouTube? Angazi lolo. Mina, my plan, or my wish, rather, let me put it like that. My wish is to keep it on YouTube. What I love on YouTube, and this is what people don't understand. What I love with YouTube is I get to make a show exactly the way I want to make it. Because what you guys don't understand is, if you make something for someone else, for a platform yomunye umuntu, kumele uyenze ngale ndlela that person wants it. Why lento ngigqokisa ikepisi manje? Inde. Oh, yazi lezi zinto zo TikTok zicanda siyingane ezincane sibadala ngaka. So you know, kumele ulandele imithetho yalapho, you know, ezinye izinto bakwenzise zona and you don't agree with them. But mawenza kuyilento ku YouTube, like if I'm going to like ngenza ngemali yami